Hello guys, it's Peter from PS Sounds, and in this video, in this really short video, I'm going to show you these Clarus subs from Hybrid Audio. Kind of unboxing video. So let's see what these beautiful subs are like. I had to unpack it before because I can't record and lift it out with one hand. So the packaging is pretty cool, simple yet effective. Decent thickness of foam underneath the magnet and all around it, so it can't move anywhere in the box, and it protects the bottom of the magnet if it gets dropped. It comes with 2 gaskets as well, which is very good. The whole sub is packed up in a foil, protecting it from moisture or anything. And then on the top, there's a foam holding it in place. It kind of sits around the basket, so it's pretty good. Nothing magical, but it does the job perfectly. So these models are the Clarus 15-inch, the C15. This one is a double 2 ohm configuration, so it can be wired to 1 ohm or 4 ohm. That's a dual 4 ohm, so this is going to be wired to 2 ohm. It's pretty cool. You can, order it the way you want it for your amplifier. They have 8-inch, a 10, 12 and a 15. At the moment I only have the 10 and the 15. That's going to Chris's TT. I'm sure you've seen many videos of that. If not, then go to the playlist on the channel and then you can check out the LDTT builds. And then this 15 is going to be in the current high-end install in the Opel Insignia, in that funky sealed box that I built. I used the 12 in many installs before. They are very accurate subs. That's definitely something that we can tell about all of them. And the problem is that most people think that, they are nothing special because they don't look anything crazy, like nowadays what you expect from a sub, but they have everything what you want, all the quality ingredients to make it a, proper quality subwoofer. The 8, 10 and 12-inch, they all have 2-inch voice coil, 50mm voice coil, and a single spider. And as you can see, the terminals are on each side, opposite each other, so they are in nice balance. Not like when you have, terminals just on one side, which can slightly alter the balance of the spider. But on this one, on all of these, they are nicely balanced out. The 15-inch is slightly different from the 8, 10 and 12. The 15 is quite a beast compared to the rest. It has 3-inch coil, it has dual spider as well. There's one on the top and there's another one under it, a little bit lower. And yeah, this can definitely go crazy. Whereas if you wanted to have the same output, you would definitely need 2 12-inch at least. And the 15 also digs way deeper than any of the rest. The 10 is the biggest surprise probably from all of them, because considering it's just a 10, it plays really low in even small box. All of them play pretty well in a small box. Go to the Hybrid Audio website and then you can see that they don't really require a lot of airspace if you want to use them in sealed. But the thin and small parameters are pretty versatile and you can use them in pretty much anything, sealed, ported, bandpass, and they also work pretty well in infinite baffle, especially the 15. Oh yeah, if we could have 2 of them in a saloon, oh my god, that would be tasty. So the 15 is gonna be shown in the current build. That's definitely a little monster. It has a way bigger magnet as well. The 8, 10 and 12, they have a 1-inch 25mm magnet, whereas this one has a 40mm magnet, which is like a bit more than 1.5-inch, and can take way more power. The 8, 10, 12, they are happy with around 250 watt, 300 watt on the 12, whereas this one can easily have a 1 kilowatt monoblock. I tip this around and you can see the magnets as well. Well, there's not much I really have to say about this. They look pretty cool. Should you need any of these, or you are interested in quality subs, drop us a PM and we can definitely help getting one of these for you. Because if that hasn't been obvious yet, I use a fair amount of hybrid audio equipment as well in my builds. And just to make it clear, this video is not sponsored by anyone. I just thought to share as much as possible with you guys, take as many unboxing videos of the products I use as I can. It's better to spend 5 minutes looking at these beauties than watching some crap on telly. Hopefully in the next one you will see the 15-inch in the current build go in a bit mental. Guys, I hope you like this short video. Let me know what you think. Feel free to share it, subscribe to the channel, that means a lot to me as always. And hopefully I can talk to you very, very soon. Take care.